Hello buddy, today I'm showing you my 1986 Casablanca Delta 2 with the K4S with the dimmer. As you can see here, it dims. Fucking camera, it's just like how to do it. It dims and everything, which I think is cool. I got this off a marketplace for free. And yeah, got a K55 motor. Let's turn it on low. Originally, the globes did not come with this fan. I put these on. It had like weird modern globes on it, and I hated it so much. I love Delta 2 so much, and I'm glad I have two of them now. But yeah, thanks to Thomas and Casablanca LaRoque for identifying the date on this fan. Turn it to medium. Now I'll turn it to high. As you can see, it flies. No wobble, no nothing. This fan is actually electrically reversible, by the way. You can reverse it. It should be obvious. That, alright guys. Actually I'll show you that tag, I forgot about that. Tag is right there. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video of my 1986 Casablanca Delta 2. I'm out.